Hey, good morning, everybody. God bless. Sunday morning, and we're back doing a kingdom with two brothers in the garage. Go figure.
So
So
it
now we're
is.
going to start off with the diamond, right?
Yep. We'll get the diamond.
So it's mentioned a lot in the Bible, right?
Yeah. It's actually there.
So,
This is the piece that broke.
so as we have from last week, all the lines connected to all the stone structures from the Russian. I believe this a Russian had done this. I think that's what
It's the
Randy
Russian.
Carlson had said.
Yeah.
So now you have like here would be our circles, right?
Here are our stars.
Okay,
This is the first thing that I learned in Bible study.
was the star.
12 stars.
So now in the center of them, here is the pyramids. So you have the pyramid. From the pyramid, you have a diamond. So
Which is actually the three. Actually, would be the three arrows, because these would be the
the
heads of the
three
arrows.
arrows,
Three arrows or whatever, and the tails are on the other side.
and the tails are on the other side. So
So if you're looking at it from positive negative,
yeah, we could reverse the model
you
back
would
around to
have
the other side.
positive, five negatives, positives, and a negative.
Okay, and that
Six arrows.
that's that. 6 arrows. Now we can pretty much see that now. We saw through Luke and John. So we're going to fast motion past Mark.
Well, Mark is the best one. I'm going to save that for the last part of this.
We'll save Mark for the last part.
It's very confusing.
Yeah, that's why he's actually talking. It's very confusing. So you really got to stay with the Bible, knowing it. I told you, I don't know it. He's it.
This, yeah,
So, again with the diamond, and that would be going with Luke, right? So we're Luke and Matthew still.
we're still
Okay.
going with 5,000 because they're
We're still going with
busy.
5,000
They're
with
busy.
Luke.
very busy.
They're busy. These 5,000. I told you the 5,000 or 60,000 each one. Okay, so remember that. And if you notice with Mark and Luke, one is 2 fishes and 5 loaves. One is 5
It's
loaves,
reversed.
2 fishes. It's reversed. So we'll get to that. So we're going to stay with these guys. We're going to move Mark down. So we're with that right now. Nothing else we need to know now.
Next, we're gonna also say John also
Okay. Now,
has there.
John also has the same. So
that.
so he's 12 baskets, 5 loaves. Okay, with the 5,000, and we don't want to see the Act 2 yet. So we just want to see that. Okay.
Right.
Now
Now.
these are the 5,000.
Are you ready for Mark? You ready for Mark?
This
Hey, you want to put down there the 4,000 times 12?
now we have the 4,000 times 12 and
Doing the same thing, only
48,000.
different.
Okay. All right.
All right, here we go. With this whole diagram,
Now we have to go.
it's showing me this green line here on this.
Let's show
That'll
them.
be our green band.
So look at the lines. Okay, and see the colors, because we're talking the rainbow.
We got to take this back somehow.
We have to move
And,
now into the rainbow.
It's not what they think at all.
So we're going to
They're not
colors.
gonna like it either.
So as you see in the bowl, he said the green line is the base connecting line.
So after I made this one, I realized I needed to see the horizon, so I had to do this one.
To see the bubble.
So whenever I look, You see this color horizon.
Okay, I'll let you see that close again. You understand? So now you can see the horizon a little differently, right?
Now,
All right, so
Here comes
this
the
is what
goodie.
we're going to deal with Mark.
put that one over
Put this one down first. Here you go.
there. All right.
And there's that. All
The
right.
thing with Mark is this. That's one pyramid. There's 3 pyramids, and they're all in a row. And each one is a different color band.
All right. So there are 3 pyramids, and each one is a different color band. You understand that?
And they would all be the same radius distance. You would find temples or pyramids in all kinds of locations. Because the reason is,
Okay, so I'll let you get a look at that. So you have the 3 bands. 1, 2, and 3. So each one would be a pyramid. Okay? So now we got that.
yeah. The problem is that when you put the Ark of the Covenant in its right place, and you put this cold fusion device in it, it'll make a power beam the likes of we only dreamed of. It'll power up something that is called I believe, the Osiris device.
So these are going to be important.
Now it's just that it's important to know that it's just not one guy's stuff. These things are all over the place, and everybody's got one.
Right,
Everybody's got more than one stuff.
right.
Everybody's got too many things to do to worry about
There's
who's
12
got what.
kingdoms. Everybody has stuff. It
Yeah.
all has to come back.
The 12 tribes have to win, and it has to become Israel, each one of them.
Now,
Because see, Habakkuk said it's a double wonder that the earth and this star are the same thing.
all
The
right.
power of the thing is what we're going to make this thing.
All right. So the earth is an actual power source.
It's a dynamo, the dynamite
Okay.
of God.
So we're going to be working on that.
And if this is what it is, and this is this, then I know what Jupiter is, and I would know what Mars is. I know what Venus is. I know what 7 stars are. They're in a bag over there.
And each one of
And I
them
have
are
5 more.
different. Each one is one more than the other.
Macabre.
Exactly. All right, guys, and we all know what the macabre is, right? The
That's
4 corners of the earth. There, remember that one? That you got to remember that one.
what Ezekiel saw.
And with that, we'll end it up. That was a little bit to know, and we'll get back to it next
I
week.
want you to know how big this is.
This is bigger than you think, so. And we're all doing it together. Have fun. All right, guys. Have a good night. I'll see you later. God bless.